Hello and namaste to everybody. So I'm out here for my probably my final training hike before my Annapurna expedition. It's 11th of March. Today is Mahashivratri. A beautiful day to be hiking. A beautiful way to start the morning. I'll be leaving for my expedition on 18th of March. So very few days left now. Just 6 days left. And while I was coming up on this trek, on this mountain, I was just thinking to myself that I used to come on these trails around since the last 8-9 years now. And never in my wildest dream I imagined that someday in my life I would be climbing peaks like Everest, Annapurna and Trishul in winter. And going to these extreme places, experiencing some of the most beautiful places on this planet, some of the most extreme places on the planet. If somebody had told me this would happen, I wouldn't have believed him. But things happened, and there's this feeling of gratitude which was coming from within me today. Just wanted to record this video and share it with all of you. And just to add something to it, whatever dreams, whatever desires we have in our life, whatever we had in our life when we were young, most of us have achieved much more than that. Most of us have much more than that today. But yet that feeling of satisfaction has not happened. We are not stable from within because of that, because of all those achievements. We are always running behind something more, thinking that something more would satisfy us. But really what would satisfy us is really what would make us sthir, jisko kehte hai na, stable, still from within, is just acknowledging this reality that the life that we are living today is a dream life for literally millions of people. Millions of people right now are aspiring to be where most of us are. And they are thinking that when they get where we are, they'll be satisfied. But they don't know कि ऐसा नहीं होता. हम वहाँ पहुँच गए और फिर भी हम तो ऐसे के ऐसे ही खच्चर है आज भी, है ना? So just acknowledging and just this feeling of gratitude and seeing how far you have come and giving yourself a pat on the back. Just taking a step back and seeing where you've come. I think that is what really gives you the perspective. I think that's what really gives you the reality check. And I think that's what really makes you still from within. And I think after Everest, I had been, always chasing Everest as my ultimate dream in my life. And ever since Everest was done, I had hoped that my life would be fulfilled and this and that. But nothing of that sort happened. Because external goals can never give you that satisfaction. But if you acknowledge them and if you feel genuine gratitude towards it, that how lucky you are, I think that's one of the short ways of being content with what you really have. And yes, बस यही कहना था. 6 days to go for Annapurna expedition. Excited, a little nervous I would say, because of the kind of reputation Annapurna holds. But in and all, I'm prepared as I can be at this stage in my life. Spent literally 2 years training for Annapurna. Last year, because of the pandemic, we could not go. Just a week before leaving for the expedition, we had to abandon the expedition because of the lockdown. So I got another year to train. So here I am on my last training hike. Thank you so much for all your support, all your love. I'm still a few lakh rupees away from raising the necessary money, but I think we'll get there. So thank you so much for watching this. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.